Welcome to Gadget Auto World. Today, we're diving into a topic that's transforming the automotive industry: drones. These high-flying tech wonders are no longer just for photography or delivery. They're making a big impact in automotive manufacturing. Let's explore how drones are helping automakers streamline production, boost efficiency, and drive innovation. Drones in assembly line monitoring. In automotive manufacturing, efficiency is key, and drones are playing a crucial role in monitoring the assembly line. With their ability to fly over complex production areas, drones provide a bird's-eye view that helps managers track progress and identify potential bottlenecks. Equipped with high-definition cameras and sensors, drones can spot inefficiencies, analyze worker movements, and even detect issues with the assembly process before they become major problems, saving time and reducing costs. Inventory management with drones. Managing inventory in a massive automotive plant can be a logistical nightmare, but drones are changing the game. By using drones equipped with RFID scanners and barcode readers, manufacturers can quickly and accurately track parts and materials in large warehouses. These flying assistants can scan entire shelves in a matter of minutes, updating inventory records in real time, ensuring that the right components are available when needed, and reducing the chances of overstocking or running out of essential parts. Quality control and inspections. Quality control is critical in automotive manufacturing, and drones are helping to ensure every vehicle meets the highest standards. Drones equipped with advanced cameras and sensors can inspect every inch of a vehicle during the production process, identifying minor defects, imperfections, or misalignments that might go unnoticed by human inspectors. This enables faster and more thorough inspections, improving product quality while reducing human error and increasing overall safety on the factory floor. Drones and material delivery. Ever wondered how materials make it to the right spot at the right time? Drones are revolutionizing material delivery in automotive factories. These unmanned aerial vehicles can carry lightweight tools and parts to workers, eliminating the need for workers to walk long distances to retrieve materials. This cuts down on downtime, keeps workers focused on the task at hand, and boosts overall productivity. In large factories where floor space is limited, drones can quickly transport parts, improving workflow and reducing the risk of bottlenecks. Reducing costs and improving safety. Drones aren't just boosting efficiency, they're also cutting costs and improving safety. By automating inventory checks and inspections, manufacturers can reduce the need for manual labor and minimize the risk of costly errors. Moreover, drones can access hard-to-reach areas of the factory floor, ensuring that employees are less exposed to potentially dangerous environments. This enhances overall safety, reducing accidents and improving the working conditions for everyone involved. The future of drones in automotive manufacturing. The role of drones in automotive manufacturing is still evolving. As technology advances, we can expect even more applications, such as drones working alongside robotic systems, automated maintenance checks, and even real-time production analytics. With advancements in AI and machine learning, drones will soon be able to predict maintenance needs, monitor energy usage, and even collaborate with autonomous robots to improve the entire production process. The sky is literally the limit. Drones are no longer just a futuristic idea. They're already reshaping the way cars are made. From improving efficiency on the assembly line to ensuring top-tier quality control, drones are making a real difference in automotive manufacturing. What do you think? How do you see drones continuing to transform the industry? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching Gadget Auto World, and we'll see you in the next video.